Peace, what's up? First place don't necessarily make you a winner. You could be last and still win. Because you might came in last, but you still made it across that finish line. See, that's what it's about. Don't care if you first, last, from making it across the finish line from start to finish. Go. Don't worry. Came in last, it doesn't matter. What matters is finishing. As long as you finish, muscle game, man. You know what it is. But that's my speech for y'all, man. Stop putting yourself down and do your thing, because you're one.